with only 8,500 Kenyan shillings, you get to get this Hanmac 20 liters microwave with 5 power levels, a speedy cooking and a defrost feature. Na inakaa hivi. It has 2 control knobs. This one is for the 5 power levels and this one is for the timer. It has a 35 speed timer. And you can get this microwave hapa at Tenza Home Appliances, where home is always simplified for you guys. You can shop it on our website to go by www.atenzahomeappliances.co.ke, ama you can visit our physical store located the former Hanmac Lifestyle, which is currently Naivas Lifestyle, Mezzanine 1, shop number 2.